Oh, hey, rise and shine. You know, if we hurry, we could get a cup of joe before the rush.
At the new hipster cafe, I'd rather die.
Everyone will be there.
Ricky, you don't even like coffee.
Yeah, I know, but I don't want people to think I'm weird, you know?
I'm out here doing cool new stuff. I don't know what you're doing. Probably nothing as cool as what I'm about to do. So, shut up.
What would it be, sir?
Just a coffee? Right away, sir. Hey, do you know what the Wi-Fi is here? Do you know if there's an outlet somewhere?
Here you are, sir.
Thank you.
Careful! It's hot.
Oh. What's all the hullabaloo in here? Hey, can I get a coffee?
What was that she was drinking?
No idea, dude. Wanna go check it out?